Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi Lachey, and today you're on with Simulator Shay. And today I'm going to be doing my very first episode of Lady Trucker. So I'm going to be using ATS. I play this game for hours on end, especially when I first got the game. I've been playing this game for I want to say about a good 4 to 5 years. So I've been playing this game for a while, maybe even longer than that. But yeah, so I have started my company over. I have started over new, fresh. So that's what this series is going to be about. So I'm going to build a company from the ground up. I'm going to make my own rules along the way, but I want to try and start it from the ground up and not getting any loans. If you know about ATS, they offer you loans after a while. So I want to take a while before I get a loan for my company. I just want to work everything from the ground up. So I started it based in Bakersville, California. So that's where I'm going to be based at. That's where my first garage is. So today I'm just going to, take you all along with me on my very first episode of Lady Trucker. And we're going to talk and we're going to groove to some good music and just sit back and relax. Like if I think of anything along the way, I will be stopping to tell you what I thought of. So let's go ahead and go in and let's find us some work. So right now, by me starting my company over, I've already did like one delivery to see how everything is working. No, two deliveries to see how everything is working and so on. So now we're just going to find us a job so we can go ahead, ride out, and vibe. So we're going to go to quick job. And I think we're going to start out. Okay, so what? Oh, and the truck that I picked that I love is a Mack truck. So those are like one of my favorite trucks, the Mack truck and also the Volvo. So the first truck that I see is a Volvo and it is from Bakersville, California. Okay, I think I have it set on short destination. So I did a short destination to like test it out or whatever. So we're going to, I'm just going to start by price. And let's see how far we're going to go. So what are we taking on this truck? This is from Fresno, California to Oxnard, California. I hope I pronounced that right. And it's for $4,000, $4,996. And we are taking frozen vegetables. Okay. And I think I got it set from lowest. Yeah, I do have it set from lowest to highest. And the first truck is like one of my favorite trucks, which is a Volvo. So I think this will be a good little ride to introduce you to the Lady Trucker series. So let's get started. All right, you guys. So we're in our truck. So we're going to go ahead and I think I need to adjust the seat because I'm sitting up kind of high. So let me go ahead and do that. And I'll come back to you guys.
okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you further away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for? Are you up for? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want you. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for? Are you down? You up for? I wanna be together. I wanna be together. Babe, I want you. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters to me. You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club, but my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can take back, I can stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A addiction. Another bottle of this wine, I'll be up in your space. Love and affection. Ain't got nothing on me, no, that's not what I do. Maybe on another day, I'd encourage you to make me stay. But baby, I'm just trying to numb my brain and wrap my head around this whole thing. When you're kissing my neck and grabbing my leg, pushing me backwards into your bed. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep. So I pick up my clothes and be on my way. Leave you a note saying I can't stay. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep, too deep. I think I learned my lesson. You can love somebody else until you're loving yourself. I need some direction before we dive into these sheets. Maybe on another day, I'd encourage you to make me stay. But baby, I'm just trying to numb my brain and wrap my head around this whole thing. When you're kissing my neck and grabbing my leg, pushing me backwards into your bed. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep. So I pick up my clothes and be on my way. Leave you a note saying I can't stay. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep, too deep. When you're kissing my neck and grabbing my leg, pushing me backwards into your bed. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep. So I pick up my clothes and be on my way. Leave you a note saying I can't stay. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep, too deep.
You made a big mistake thinking I would wait. You never took the time and now it's too late. I hate to feel ignored. I need someone to care for me forever, to make me feel secure when we're together. I wanna feel adored. So now I'm gonna end this thing now. And don't you make it harder than it is. Just stop. Don't ask if we can go back. You know that it's too late. I promise not to someone else. Don't even try to go there. Just leave it to its fate. You'll have to find it somewhere else. Don't ask if we can go back. You know that it's too late. I promise not to someone else. Don't even try to go there. Don't even try to go there. Yeah, it was a big mistake thinking I would wait. You never took the time and now it's too late. I hate to feel ignored. So now I'm gonna end this thing now. And don't you make it harder than it is. Just stop. Don't ask if we can go back. You know that it's too late. I promise not to someone else. like the wind. You're like a butterfly. Need to be seen. You always need to fly. You always leave. You never tell me where. You need the wind, the wind. It always takes you there. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. You're like a dream. You're like a waterfall floating downstream. Once again I fall. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. But it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. But it's okay now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. But it's okay as long as you're here. But it's okay now.
Okay, everyone, we did it. That was the end of our drive. So right now what I'm doing is I'm doing a voiceover because I was talking to you all the whole time that I was driving. But for some reason I had a malfunction with my mic, yada yada yada, so on and so forth. But anyway, as you've seen, I had a few mistakes and a bumps along the road. So we can talk about them in our next video. So if you enjoyed the music, you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you leave a like and comment down below what genre of music you want to listen to the next time. Maybe I can get some songs. The website I use for this music is Artist. I used it on another channel that I have, and I will have my social media linked below. You can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, so I'm looking to just start something because in ATS there is not a lot of females that play the game. So I'm just looking for women who want to play the game. ATS, like maybe we could all start a convoy and we can just go on rides together and play together. But yeah, so I'll see you all. Well, not see you all, but I'll chat with you all next time. Peace out.